In front of me is OnePlus Pad 3, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this gear at the top to manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, hit this X at the top left corner, and if you never used Recorder before, make sure to tap on Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups. Then hit this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To add a photo mark, on the right one. Hit while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Switch your camera. And when you're ready, take a pic. Now to discard it, use this X at the bottom on the right side, and to add it, this check mark at the top. If you wish to get rid of your recording instantly, hit cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, hit save at the top right one. Then name it. Decide if you wish to generate summary thanks to this icon next to it. And when you finished, select save. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom, or click on those three dots at the top right corner and use all of those as well, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!